What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty and my blog, theaskeen.com. Hit you with another video today, and today's a little bit different. I'm going over the next few or 9-10 videos. I'm gonna do more productivity and how to be more productive, how to cut time off, how to cut time on stuff that's not making no money or helping you out, and what ways to cut time, how to cut time. So in today's video, title of the video is how to be more productive while you're in the toilet or in the bathroom, or toilet time, or do number one or doing number two. And the bathroom is the perfect place to have pretty much no distractions, because it's your personal space. No one's there most of the time. No one's there to bother you, and then you're to yourself. And 9 times out of 10, you're either reading a magazine or you're on your cell phone. So my thing is, I used to be on Facebook and YouTube a lot while I was in the bathroom, on the toilet or in the bathroom. But lately, I've been doing different things. So what things you do be more productive while you're in the restroom or having toilet time is, if something you want to learn, if something you're interested in, you want to do, use that time to do that. And say you want to learn how to change oil or build something, use that time to learn that aspect. What I like to do is have a notepad and a pen, and I'm writing stuff down while I'm in the restroom. I'm writing stuff down. I'm writing stuff down, like a to-do list for the weekend, or a shopping list, or I don't write a bunch of YouTube videos I want to publish. So I'll write down the YouTube video I'm going to do, maybe a little script about it while I'm in the restroom. I'll write my Amazon order, what I need for the house, what I need personally from Amazon. I'll write that stuff out, and where I have a list. I have a notepad and pen, write different blog posts I want to write. So you can send, you can do all that stuff. You can send your bills. If you pay your bills online, you can do that as well while you're in the bathroom. If you have stocks, you can look at your stocks, because I have stocks, but I don't look at it every day. But using the restroom, a perfect time to sit down and actually look at all the stocks I own, the prices, and the companies that I want to buy in the future. So it's a good thing to do some homework, and I call it maintenance work. Maintenance work for me is just keeping stuff going. Make sure everything's working. Check your bank accounts to see there's no charges on your account that you didn't make. Check your bank account. And what I also do is I delete emails that I don't use, or I unsubscribe from emails that I don't read no more. So I do all that, because your email box can really stack up fast. So I go in there and just delete like 20 or 30 emails while I'm in the restroom, and it helps me, keeps it level. So a lot of things you can do in the restroom, but the main thing about it is be more productive. And this doesn't apply just to home, can't get out. It applies while you're at work, going to the restroom. You go away, do some small. Even when you do number one, you wash your hands. You might pull your phone out, delete 4 or 5 emails, or check something, or check an email, or check your stocks. Take about 4 or 5 minutes, and you can go back on the floor. So this applies at home and at work, or at a function, or at church, or at a restaurant, or whatever. I do that sometimes at a restaurant. I have a blog, so I want to check my stats. The visitors come to my blog. So while I'm using the restroom, do number one, whatever, when I'm finished, I wash my hands, I pull my phone out, and I look at my stats. It takes about 10 seconds to pull my stats up, the visitors, what blog post they're going to, and go right back to the restaurant, so to my table. So quick little thing. Instead of doing that, during family time, pull my phone out, I do that during bathroom time. So be more productive while you're using the bathroom. Try to think of things. Stay off Facebook. YouTube is okay if you're looking at videos for help you learn something. But stay off Facebook, stay off social media, stay off Instagram. It'll suck out your time. Cause it's just like Eminem said, it's a wormhole. When you go down YouTube or Facebook, it's a freaking wormhole. You go deeper and deeper and deeper. It's hard to get back out. And before you know it, it's 20 minutes gone by and you've done nothing. So that's what I do typically when I'm in the restroom. I look at stats, look at bank accounts, billing. I have a to-do list of stuff to write, shopping list, Amazon list, brainstorm video ideas, blog post ideas, stuff coming up next week. I'm writing that stuff down, write the times, write down anything I need, Amazon, write that stuff down. So that's how I be more productive in the restroom. And you can do this at work or at home. Excuse me, that's the end of my video. And what do you think? So comment below what are things you do in the restroom that's more productive. You use your cell phone, call important people. You can write an important email to someone. You could check on things, but I really just check on things to make sure everything's in line. I write my list. I come up with stuff. I'd be productive. I'm less and less on Facebook now. And people message me on Facebook or comment and I don't respond. That's because I'm not on Facebook like that. I'd rather be on my blog versus Facebook. I'd rather be on my YouTube channel, look at my stats, than look at Facebook comments. That's just me personally. So I'd rather look at my bank statements and my email statements from AWeber, look at my stats on that versus looking at an Instagram post. That's just me personally. So that's what I do. Typically, comment below. Let me know what you do during those times when you use the restroom, whatever. And let me know. My name is Ty and my blog at thexking.com. Check me out. Please like the video. It helps me out. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your family and friends. And next time you're on the toilet, next time you're in the bathroom, doing whatever, stop being on Facebook, Instagram, watching cat videos. What else can I do? Because time is short, and before you know it, the day is over. Time flies. The older you get, the faster time goes. I don't know why. The older you get, it's like time is flying. When you're young, time goes slow. When you get older, time just flies on by. Do something productive. Thanks for watching.